Use common household items to protect carpet when painting baseboards if you do not have masking tape or construction paper. Start by sliding a thin barrier between the baseboard and carpet to catch drips and prevent paint transfer. Aluminum foil works well because it molds to contours. Fold it into a strip 3 to 5 layers thick and press it flat so paint beads on the foil rather than soaking into fibers. Thin plastic sheeting, such as a garbage bag cut open, will shed paint. Fold the edge to create a slim lip that tucks under the baseboard and weight it with a clothespin or a small flat stone to keep it from slipping. Old magazines or catalog pages can be folded into a long, narrow pad and slid under the baseboard. Layer them to prevent bleed-through and replace layers when saturated. Paper towels or clean rags can serve as short-term absorbent barriers for small spots, but change them often to avoid transfer back to the painted surface. Work in short sections, paint the baseboard with a steady brushstroke away from the carpet, and remove the temporary barrier while the paint is still tacky so you do not pull dried paint into the carpet pile. 3 common problems are slippage, paint bleeding, and adhesive residue from improvised materials. If your barrier slips, add weight at intervals or use a straight edge to hold it in place while painting, and let the paint dry until tacky before removing the support. If paint bleeds under the edge, increase layering at the contact point and press the barrier firmly against the baseboard so there is no gap for paint to run under. If residual dye or adhesive from magazines or plastic transfers to carpet, swap to clean layers more frequently and test a small hidden carpet area first to ensure no staining occurs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists projects so we can find the right help for larger or riskier painting jobs. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, swap photograph examples, and troubleshoot common do-it-yourself problems together.